So this is exactly what you guys asked for, a superb streaming application with lots of great movies, TV shows, and also live TV with a fully working program guide. Now, this application doesn't need any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. The application has a really nice interface. It works great on your Amazon Fire TV devices as well as your Android TVs. The application was updated only yesterday, and in the latest update they really have added in some phenomenal content. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. And here we can just see the name of the application, version 3.42.0, and it was updated on the 23rd of June. And we can confirm with this application, you have access to hundreds of movies, TV shows. You also have live TV, lots of very popular channels, lots of great content. All of them have now been added into this update, really giving you the best possible content in this amazing free application. Now we can see that the application has a really nice clean interface. We have the main menu on the left, and then we have the content on the right. Now we can see we're in the home section. Then you have the free on demand, free live TV, collections, and then my library. Now of course, if you want to, you can sign into this application. You can create a free account. You can then do things like create watch lists, set up favorites, and of course if you want to, you can actually rent movies and TV shows directly with this application. But in my demonstration, I'm just going to show you what's available absolutely free without requiring any registration. So let's go to the top and let's go to free on demand. So here we can see we have a free movies and TV spotlight. Lots of different things in here, some very popular content, everything from Terminator to lots of different things. Then you've got the leaving section, the leaving free soon. And the reason why they have this is, as you can imagine, it's a completely free application and they're constantly adding new content, new episodes, new TV shows, new movies. And when they do that, they do remove certain content. So because of that constant cycle, it's always worthwhile coming back into this application to see what's been added, what's new in here. So lots of different things in here. Then here is that new section. So this is some of the stuff that's been added recently. So for example, here we can see the last days on Mars. I can click on that and we can see we have the option to watch free with ads. Let's click on that again. Just to show you that everything in the application, as it's a completely official application, is working. It's working straight away. And in many cases, I've not really seen many adverts with this. And that's working great. And of course, as it's an official application, all of the content in here will be in high definition. Okay, let's back out of that. Then you've got the free TV series, lots of different things in here. Then you've got the free live TV, so lots of different channels, lots of different shows. You have Court TV, you have some Poker Tour, Unsolved Mysteries, Forensic Files. Let's just try one of these, just to show you that it's not only the movies and TV shows, even the live TV section, it's working, and it's just working straight away. That's looking good. Okay, let's back out of that. Then you got the free popular movies. So I'm sure you'll recognize some of the content in here. Then you have the free news, weather and sports. So if you're looking for some of that sports content, and if you go to the right, you can see there's a see more. And we are now inside the live TV section. Now, just to ensure there's no issues with copyright or anything like that, I'm not going to click on any of these channels, but just to show you that they do have a large library of live TV channels. So you can go through the list like I'm going now, or you can go to the left and say I'm only interested in action sci-fi. That then filters the channels and only shows you the action and sci-fi channels. Then you have channels for movies. Then you have all of the sports channels. So we have some tennis in there, some basketball. We have beIN Sports, World Poker Tour, lots of different things. Then you got food and design, classic TV, kids and family, music, travel lifestyle, local news, and they also do have a dedicated section for Spanish content. Okay, let's back out of that. So that was the free live TV. And if any of you guys are still here with me, then if you drop a like on this video and leave the comment #red, then I know you made it this far in the video, which I always appreciate. I'll then heart your comment. Then you've got the free section for action movies, free thrillers, free crime. The application works really well, really fast. Now, as you can imagine, that the tdoctoruk family is a global family, and because of that, certain applications are designed for certain audiences. So this application is designed for the USA audience, which means you have to be in USA or at least have a USA IP address. And in my example, I'm using an IP address from San Francisco. Now, if you don't see this in your local Amazon App Store or in your Google Play Store, I will show you how you can get this on all of your devices. But overall, guys, really easy to use, lots of great content, lots of great categories, including the movies, TV shows, and of course, live TV. And they also have that fully working program guide, so you know exactly what's on now, what's coming up next, so you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content. So that's the latest version of Redbox. Let me now show you how you can get this on all of your devices. Now, on the Amazon devices, the first thing you need to do is go over to your settings, go over to My Fire TV, where it says developer options, let's click on that. Where it says install unknown apps, click on that, find downloader in the list, and just make sure that's set to on. And this just means that we can download applications through Downloader. Once you've confirmed that, let's now open up Downloader. We can now make a quick connection to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can type in this short code 53402. Let's type that in, click on go, or you can press the play button on your remote. Now, when you get to my site, head over to the hamburger menu, which is one with the 3 lines. Let's click on that, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how we can get this updated version of the Redbox application. Let's open that up. Here we are, so we can see this is the latest version for June 2022. Scroll down. Underneath all of that, you'll see a bunch of links. Now, the reason why there's a few different versions, when I last did this update, a couple of people were saying that they were not able to use the latest version, but they could still use the older version. Well, what I've done is I've left the older versions on here, right back from October 2021. Then we had one for January, April, and the most recent one from yesterday is the June 2022 update. So this one I will try first, and this one is the latest update, and it has all of that extra content. So I can now click on that and click on the green download button, and this will download the application directly onto my device. I can click on install, click on done. I can also delete the installation file just to get that space back. Click on delete again, and that's the application all working fine. So if you don't have a VPN or you're not happy with your current VPN, Ipvanish are doing a crazy promotion just for the next 2 weeks, whereby you can get total protection for all of your devices, your phones, your tablets, your Firesticks, your Android TVs, all devices covered at maximum speed, unlimited bandwidth, with confirmed 0 data logging at just over $3 a month. So really at that price point to get all of that protection, I think it's an absolute no-brainer, and the offer is only for the next 2 weeks. So if you are interested, definitely have a look in the video description or the pinned comment. I think it's definitely worthwhile checking out. So really appreciate your support. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.